The issue
Well,
is the way that you told me I do what I want to do.
I don't think I said I do what I want to do.
Somebody play back the tape. You said I do what I want to do.
This courtroom clash starts off tense. A driver says she was unfairly ticketed, and the judge, well, he's not having it. Stick around, this one turns from petty to powerful real quick.
25W838904.
Right to the podium. Right this way.
Your name, ma'am?
Nolita.
Nolita?
Here's where things start to heat up, not about the ticket, but about her name. You can almost feel the awkward energy building. What would you do if a judge mispronounced your name in court, correct them, or let it slide?
You gotta keep your voice up.
Nolita Willeen Rice.
So how did I mispronounce your name the first time?
You said Nolita Willeen the first time.
Well, isn't that your middle name?
It's not Willeen, it's Willeen.
Well, it's Wileen. The court administrator gave me your letter. I read it. Again, it being a little tough though. I don't know. I don't have.
You was rough on me the first time. I mean.
No, I wasn't rough on you.
Sir, I'm not here to argue with you, but please, I'm just trying to mind my business and drink my water.
And do what?
Stay out. I'm trying to drink my water and mind my business and stay out of Woodhaven. Because I didn't get to explain. I don't come here. I was sent here through an Amazon run. They ran me to, I thought it was Grosse Pointe, and it would be Grosse Ile. So I'm not even familiar with this area.
They got you going 41 in a 25-mile-per-hour school zone.
Well,
listen to me.
There were no signs.
Listen to me.
There were no signs from.
Would you please listen to me?
Sure.
I take offense to your letter. I really do. I don't know where you come up with it. I didn't ask you to state your name like I did with the other.
At this point, the judge's patience is thinning. He's reminding her that even judges make mistakes. But here's a subtle point: courtroom tone matters. Disagreeing too strongly, even respectfully, can backfire in real time.
Other defendants.
You didn't?
Especially after mispronouncing your name.
Mm-hmm. When I walked up, you said, oh, well, you said, Nolita Wileen Rice. And then I walked up to the podium.
I didn't say it like that.
Okay, do we have a recording of the last time I appeared in this courtroom? Because you asked everybody.
So I made a mistake. See, some of us on this planet, even judges, realize we're not infallible. So if I forgot to ask you your name or mispronounced your name by calling you Wileen instead of Willeen.
And Nolita is Nolita.
Nolita, as opposed to Nolita.
Yeah.
Okay, well, if I didn't pronounce your name correctly, my sincere apology. I have.
That's not really the issue. The issue
Well,
is the way that you told me I do what I want to do.
I don't think I said I do what I want to do.
Somebody play back the tape. You said I do what I want to do when I told you that I was driving a rental car that the speedometer was malfunctioning.
You were here for a department rep hearing. I just want to clear the air here. Mm-hmm. You were here for a department rep hearing.
Okay.
Now, the officers should learn a lesson because in an effort to be too kind by writing you initially for impeding instead of 41 and a 25, this is the kind of thing that can happen. If you don't resolve it at a department rep, I'm going to set it for a hearing.
I was not.
Ma'am, don't interrupt me, please. So, you know what, there's no reason for us to go on like this. There was a motion to set, ma'am, don't interrupt me. You keep interrupting me. And I hope you're as hard on yourself as you appear.
Okay, this is actually huge. Setting aside the default judgment means the judge is erasing the automatic ruling against her and giving her another chance. That's rare, especially after that rocky exchange. A surprising moment of fairness here.
They are on other people. I pronounced it Nolita as opposed to Nolita, and I said Wileen instead of Willeen. Seriously. If you're that great at doing everything, you ought not be standing here. You ought to be president. But at any rate, I can't, my condition caused confusion. So here's what I'm going to do. In fairness, the officer isn't here, but you didn't show up on time either. I'm setting aside the default judgment. Default judgment set aside. We're going to reset an informal hearing. If you want, I'll be glad to let you appear by Zoom for that hearing. She'll explain it down there. You can appear by Zoom. We'll reschedule it. If he doesn't show up, I'm going to dismiss the case, okay? So we'll reschedule it. If you want to do it by Zoom, Lisa, set it for Zoom. Is that what you want?
That would be great.
Then I'll do it by Zoom for you, okay? Good luck. Ms. Smith, I'm going to recall your case.
Right.
Pardon?
Wow, total turnaround. The judge dismisses her case completely because the officer switched departments. From tension to relief in seconds. Sometimes the system does give second chances, even when tempers flare.
Right, I'm sorry. I found out that the police officer apparently went to another department, so I'm just going to dismiss it.
Thank you.
I told him to bring the file down. Thank you. People against Lolita Willeen Rice, 25W838904.
And this part right here is pure redemption. Both sides admit they were frustrated, but they end the hearing on respect. You don't see that often. It's a reminder that even in court, humility can heal a lot.
Okay, so come on up here, state your name. The likelihood of the officer showing up, I was just told the officer left and went to another department about a week and a half ago.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to go ahead and state your name again.
No, Lisa Willeen Rice.
I'm going to just go ahead and dismiss the case because the likelihood of him showing up is not him or her or whoever it is.
Thank you.
I'll just indicate the officer left the department. We're going to refund your money. They'll send you they're going to have to cut a check and send it to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. Case
And,
dismissed.
Sir, I just want to be very clear. I was not trying to be disrespectful to you. I just wanted to be heard because I had a crappy rental car that day.
But I just want you to understand too,
Yes.
the officer wasn't here to have the hearing then. And I can't just listen to one side. So if I went out of my way and made you feel bad, that was not my intent. We get busy in here and I had a lot of cases. I can't hear somebody's side when the other party isn't here. Like if the prosecutor came in and told me something and the defendant wasn't here, it wouldn't be fair for me to make a decision as to guilt or innocence in that way, nor would it be fair for me to make a decision as to guilt responsibility or not responsibility if I just listen to one side. That's all I was trying to convey. I wish you well.
All right,
Good
sir.
luck. No hard feelings. Take care of yourself. Thank you. And just make sure, I'm sure it's your same address, right?
Yeah.
So they'll just cut you a check.